Welcome to Offensive Python Mastering Ethical Hacking using Python course. My name is Mohammed Askar. I'm a penetration tester and I will be the main instructor for this course. In this course, we will talk about various information security topics such as web application security, network security, endpoint security, encryption, and buffer overflow. In this course, I will teach you how you can write your own penetration testing tools using Python. We will simulate real-world attacks and we will learn how we can program more than 18 real-world scripts. We will use them during any penetration testing operation. During this course, I will help you to grow your own skills on penetration testing, and I will grow your own skills on how you can write your own penetration testing tools in Python. Feel free to look at the course description and hope to see you soon.